From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Has violence become the norm in the election-bound state of West Bengal? This afternoon, 15 BJP workers were injured in an attack in Nandigram. At a time when the law and order situation in Bengal is under question, Mamta is accusing the BJP of riot mongering. Here is what is happening in Bengal, and then we debate.
Just hours before Shubhendu Adhikari's rally, BJP workers who were on their way for the campaign were attacked.
এরা আসছিল ওদের জোর করে বাস থেকে নামিয়ে বেধড়কা মার মেরেছে যে মা বোনদের টেনে মারা হয়েছে এটা পাশবিক নির্যাতন এই নির্যাতনের বিরুদ্ধে আমরা তীব্র প্রতিবাদ জানাচ্ছি
And the BJP has alleged a communal angle to the attack on its workers in Bengal.
देखिए ये पश्चिम बंगाल में बहुत दिन से चल रहा है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस का जो एंटी फोर्स है उसका खिलाफ ये लोग गुंडा को इस्तेमाल कर रहा है बुरी तरीके से। उसको हॉस्पिटल में वो लोग है, ये खतरनाक बात है।
So just 11 days before BJP begins its campaign in the new year, Mamta is firefighting.
মনে রাখবেন এক ঘৃণ্য রাজনীতি এখানে আমদানি করা হয়েছে সারা বাংলার বুকে এক ঘৃণ্য রাজনীতি আমদানি করা হয়েছে ঘৃণ্য বললেও ভুল হবে আমি সহজ ভাষায় বলি এক সংকীর্ণ ঘৃণ্য বিদ্বেষমূলক এমন এক রাজনীতি আমদানি করা হয়েছে যারা আমাদের ধর্মটাকে ভুলিয়ে দিচ্ছে হিন্দু ধর্ম তারা জানে না ঘৃণ্য রাজনীতি বন্ধ করে দিন দাঙ্গা রাজনীতি বন্ধ করে দিন কেন ঘৃণ্য রাজনীতি করবে
At a time when political violence is at its peak, at a time when law and order in the state is under question, can Mamta level right politics charge on the BJP? Let's debate.
I just want to go with the pictures and my straight question here to Riju Datta to start with tonight, debating with Nupur. Riju, listen, and welcome to the debate, Jitendra Tiwari, Shubir Bhaumik, Kanchanda, Abhijit Iyer Mitra. Good to see you again. I go with the pictures here, okay? There's no pro-BJP, pro-TMC angle here, okay, Riju? I'm looking at the visuals, the people who are in the hospital, right? When they are on their way to attend Shubhendu Adhikari's rally in Nandigram, are these people who are in hospital being treated after being beaten, injured, attacked? Are these people who have been attacked from the BJP or the Trinamool Congress? Riju, please tell me. Tell Nupur, you open the debate. Are they from the BJP, the ones who are beaten, or are they from the Trinamool Congress? Tell me.
Arnab, just to start the debate, first of all, good evening to you and good evening to the panelists. The thing is, the people of Bengal have understood the narrow nationalism, the divisive politics and the communal politics of BJP. So what happens is,
can you answer my question and not get into speech mode? My question was, I refuse to let you go into speech mode, Riju, and you must appreciate I'm cautioning you, I'm asking you. I think you're a good debater. Okay. You know, you're a fantastic speaker. You can be argumentative and irrational at the same time. My question to you is, the people who have been injured out here, are these injured people from the BJP or the Trinamool Congress? You can give a simple reply, no? Why get into theorizing? Which party are they from? The people in hospital?
The simple reply, the simple reply is BJP is claiming that their workers
Why
were
are you
injured.
fumbling and
That is
mumbling?
what BJP is claiming, that their workers are injured by trying to apple to. No, BJP is claiming that their workers were injured and attacked while attending the rally, but these people are from the mob.
So what do you mean
now,
claim?
In Nandigram,
Did the BJP
where Shubhendu
workers
Adhikari
break
was
their
the
own
TMC
bones?
MLA,
Did the BJP people break their own bones?
No.
How blind have you become, or are you blinded?
The mob
Did
is.
the BJP people break
the
their
mob,
own bones?
No, Arnab. The mob is
Is what?
is attacking out of emotions. If the mob is reacting,
Is
it,
ki
you
baba?
cannot put a political color to it. People are reacting to a
Mob
beiman.
is attacking
People are
out of
reacting to a
emotion.
beiman.
You're murdering
That is
someone
the thing.
because you were
People are not-
emotional. Oh, wow.
Yes.
Fantastic. The mob is attacking out of emotion.
There is no murder
The
that has happened.
BJP workers were
there is no
attacked because
murder.
the Trinamool goons
You have
were
to
emotional.
understand the emotion of the people in Nandigram.
Oh, they haven't been killed yet.
What?
Okay, so
Shubhendu
they are
Adhikari
saying,
did
saying
in
now be
Nandigram,
grateful
the
nobody's been killed yet.
People in Nandigram
First he
are
said-
reacting to Shubhendu Adhikari.
No,
People
I
in
get.
Nandigram are reacting to Shubhendu Adhikari. They
What are you
not-
talking,
and
man? I mean, Riju, what are you? You're sounding bad
It's as
today.
simple as that. How can you control the mandate of the people?
Shubhendu
How
Adhikari has
can
left
you
you. Deal
control
with
the
it.
emotions of people of Nandigram? They are reacting to Shubhendu
The mandate of the
Adhikari.
people is to kill others.
Shubhendu Adhikari has left. He
The emotions. So the emotions are to break bones, and this is normal, par for the course.
Shubhendu Adhikari is a nobody.
Riju, you have collapsed in the first 1 minute of the debate. Nupur is taking over now. No, you have collapsed over the first. You came unprepared. Nupur. No is no answer. No. No is no answer. It's a monosyllabic option I gave you at the start of the debate. You lost it. Nupur is on the debate.
I told you.
Yeah.
I told you that.
Arnab,
Yes, please. No.
May I please?
What are you telling
Arnab,
me?
I find it extremely absurd and extremely hilarious that a person representing the state government, which is fully accountable and responsible for maintaining law and order, is sitting here and justifying what he likes to define as mobocracy. So even if just say for a second's sake, we accept what happened there was two mobs at it against each other, then please tell me and pray enlighten all of us, what was your
Nupur, how do you
complacent
control
government?
that? How do you control
Law and
that?
order, allow me
People
to
of
finish.
Nandigram has
Allow
been
me to
cheated by
finish.
Shubhendu Adhikari.
Allow me to finish, sir. I heard all
Please-
your
please
points.
finish,
I'm actually
Please
getting to your
finish.
Nandigram point also. Now,
Please
since
finish.
Nandigram is such an emotional issue
Yes.
for the government of West Bengal, especially Didi, now please also tell me, why has Didi announced that she is not going to attend the Martyrdom Day on January 7th? Because she's rattled by Mr. Adhikari's rally on January
because
28th.
Akhil, no,
This
she's
is the
not.
first
Because
time
Akhil
ever.
Giri is
This is
COVID
the first
positive.
time ever,
Akhil
Arnab,
Giri, the
that
local
Mamta
person of
Banerjee
Trinamool,
has
the Didi's
refused to
representative in
attend the
Nandigram is COVID
Martyrdom Day of
positive.
January
You don't know
7th.
your background.
Since
Nupurji, you don't know the
2007,
background.
she goes there to Nandigram.
People of
attends the
Nandigram has
program
been
there.
cheated
This is
by
the first time
Shubhendu
because she's
Adhikari,
rattled.
so they are
What
reacting
could be so
emotionally.
pressing?
How do you control that? You
Answer
cannot
my
put it on
question,
TMC.
simple.
The people
Simple
of
question to
Nandigram
you,
is against
Mr.
Shubhendu
Riju.
Adhikari. It is not TMC versus BJP. It is the people of Nandigram versus BJP.
I'm not interested in a heckling match and a shouting match. Simple question. Why does Didi decide the first time ever to miss the program on January 7, 2020?
Because
a
Akhil
day
Giri,
before Mr.
because
Adhikari's
Akhil
rally on
Giri,
January
Mamta
8.
Banerjee's representative on Nandigram is COVID positive. You have to understand that. Akhil Giri is COVID positive. Do you not know that? Then please find it out, madam.
So, sir, I'm sorry.
Hello?
That is not the reason she gave.
Yes,
And I think within
there are-
7 days she'll
there are
find out her
attacks
own
there.
status. So she can't go after 7 days. 1 second, Arnab. There
this
are
is-
10, I'm sorry, you are 29, 10
people,
days
it
to
is-
go
it
for
is
January
against
7th.
BJP,
You're trying to
Shubhendu Adhikari and the
say, you're
people of
trying
Nandigram.
to
It is
say
not
in 10
TMC.
days she will not know
People
whether
of
she has to go
Nandigram
or
are
not.
reacting emotionally
These are
to
silliest
the
excuses
betrayal
I've
of
ever
Shubhendu
heard.
Adhikari,
What
and that's
stops
the
that
point
those who
here.
are COVID positive go into quarantine?
People of
Those who are
Nandigram
COVID
are
positive go
reacting
into
emotionally
quarantine and
to the
treatment.
betrayal of
ये
Shubhendu
कैसा
Adhikari.
ढीला ढाला सा excuse है? No, I
See,
don't
your
understand.
leaders
ये क्या
does
ढीला
not
सा
follow
excuse है?
COVID norms.
No,
It
I'm
does not
sorry.
mean we will not
There
follow
is no
COVID norms.
COVID. Achha.
Your leaders don't
Your
follow
norm-
COVID
your
norms. How can we
norms
not
are
follow it?
suppressing the number of dead. Your norms are
You
suppressing
have cancelled
the number of
the winter
infected.
election
No,
on basis of
COVID is
COVID,
COVID
but you
for
cannot
BJP
go and meet the
rally,
farmers
for the
because of
Banda Charo
COVID.
rally.
So all
But
this
COVID is not
distracting
COVID for
politics we
Didi's rally.
understood.
What?
Okay, I'd like to-
Who do you
I'd
think
like
is
to-
the fool? Who do
I'd
you
like to
think is
get
the fool
Subir-
here? Who do you
I'd
think
like
is
to
the
get
fool?
Subir Subir and Kanchanda and Abhijit and Jitendra Tiwari. See, Jitendra Tiwari, first of all, Jitendra Tiwari and Abhijit. Jitendra Tiwari and Abhijit. Jitendra Tiwari and Abhijit. You will have to accept Jitendra Tiwari ki शुभेंदु अधिकारी ने नंदीग्राम चलो रैली 8 जनवरी को उन्होंने अनाउंस की. अब ममता बनर्जी पैनिक कर गई. She has cancelled her rally in the region the day before on 7th January. अब जो लोग शुभेंदु अधिकारी के रैली में जा रहे हैं उनको मारा जा रहा है. ये तो इनसिक्योरिटी है ना. ये जितने मारे जाएंगे. और ये बताइए जितेंद्र तिवारी, ये मारपीट क्या हो रही है? उनको बस से खींचा गया. बीजेपी की नेता कनिष्क पांडा ने कहा कि उनको बस से खींचा गया, उनको मारा गया. आप हंस रहे हैं. आपके लिए मजाक है.
पहली बात है,
मजाक क्यों है तिवारी जी?
आज की जो रैली थी वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की रैली नहीं थी, एक धार्मिक कार्यक्रम था. और उस धार्मिक कार्यक्रम में सारे पार्टी के लोग जा सकते हैं. तृणमूल के लोग भी जा सकते हैं, बीजेपी के लोग भी जा सकते हैं, सीपीएम के लोग भी जा सकते हैं. कौन जा रहा था, किसने किसे मारा, ये तर्क का विषय है. किसी पर स्पेसिफिक एलिगेशन नहीं लगाया जा सकता. जहां तक दीदी के मीटिंग का सवाल है, 7 तारीख को कार्यक्रम है, उसमें हमारे राज्य के सभापति सुब्रतो बख्शी जी जा रहे हैं. दीदी बाद में वहां पर दूसरे कार्यक्रम में जाएंगी. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो मीटिंग होता है वो डेफर होता है, राष्ट्रपति जी का मीटिंग डेफर होता है, होम मिनिस्टर जी का मीटिंग डेफर होता है, मुख्यमंत्री का यदि मीटिंग डेफर हो जाता है वो बाद में जाएंगी ऐसा कहती है. तो इसको लेकर इतना शोरगुल मचाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Arnab, this is not entirely accurate. You see, Bengal, whoever is controlling the state,
Abhijit Iyer Mitra, Abhijit.
Ever since the communists took over,
yes, Abhijit and
the government in Bengal, the government of Bengal has always been effectively leading up a cabal of thugs and goons, of institutionalized quasi-criminality that is sort of meshed with government. So all governments since the communists, and including Mamata Banerjee when she took over from the communists, have sort of meshed this criminality into government. Now, when violence happens in Bengal, we need to understand that it is a quasi-government violence, just like you saw when JP Nadda was going. The policeman there was actually directing one of the stone pelters where to throw the stone at JP Nadda's convoy. If you remember that, the visuals of that were quite clear. So this is what happens. This is how power is maintained. This is how terror is exercised on rural communities out there. And it is very clear who is committing the violence. If you remember, Mamata Banerjee was at the receiving end of violence till she became chief minister. After that, the communists just faded away. And now all the violence is directed by her. If she loses the election, you will see that the violence against the BJP will drop dramatically. This has been established repeatedly by every single political theorist who studied on the ground in Bengal. Why is this even surprising? I find these far-fangled notions, the BJP attacked itself. Yeah, who attacks themselves? How many BJP workers have been hanged from trees, hacked to bits, God knows what not in Bengal? This is a repeated process. Everybody knows the state government is complicit. Everybody knows the state government, since the communists and the communist apparatus that Ms. Mamata Banerjee has inherited, they have been exercising the reign of terror in Bengal right since day
the
one.
hospital. You're saying childish things, sir. You cannot clap with one hand. There is a reaction, and there's a reaction to it. They are doing something.
So you admit that the violence. So you admit you did the violence because you're claiming a reaction. If you're claiming a reaction,
I am not saying,
then you're admitting responsibility for the violence.
There is a violence.
No, you said action.
Whatever violence is happening in Bengal, you have to understand
The reaction is your fear of Bengal. The reaction is the violence.
The people of Bengal are reacting
you losing power.
To the
action is the fact that you lost half the Lok Sabha seats in the last election. So this is your reaction. Violence is your reaction. This is your standard pattern.
How will you control the general
entire enterprise of thuggery and criminality that your party is presiding over, that your party actually monopolizes in Bengal, you are using it, and that is, you admitted. You yourself admitted. You yourself admitted action reaction. This is not the people of Bengal, sir. The people of Bengal don't behave like this. This is your party. Your party is not the people of Bengal.
And listen, sir, I will tell you, if you want to see what the people of Bengal wants and what Arnab made a comment that Didi is rattled, Didi is nervous, I will ask you kindly to see the visuals of Didi's Bodhpur rally today. You will understand what the mandate of people is. Amit Shah ji, Honorable Amit Shah ji
Rallies
said,
don't
Amit Shah ji,
determine a popular mandate. I'm sorry. Rallies are paid people who get busted or terrorized to come in.
Has said, in my life in Bolpur, I have seen the biggest congregation of BJP supporters. That is the biggest congregation he has seen in his lifetime. So please send him the visuals from Didi's rally from Bolpur. It will be also another lifetime first for Amit Shah ji. He has never seen a congregation like this ever in his lifetime.
Kanchan Gupta.
That is what proves the people of Bengal.
Well, I'm playing both the pictures. Kanchan Gupta.
That is the mandate of people.
You know, pay for play is a very
that's not the mandate of
pattern.
Who's rattled? 1 minute.
No.
1 minute. Let me get Kanchanda and Shubir into the debate. Shubir da. Let me get Kanchanda and Shubir da, please. Let me get Kanchanda and Shubir da. Nupur, okay. You respond once to Riju, and then I'll get them in.
Please, I'm sorry.
But you have to admit the rally, the numbers that she had in Bolpur were also impressive. Now, what are you sorry about? Have you seen the crowds in Bolpur? Were they not impressive? Had this been for a BJP leader, you would have said,
Amit Shah ji said he has seen the largest rally in his life. Then let him see Mamata Banerjee's rally today. He has never seen that in his life. None of the BJP people have seen that in their life.
that there were a lot of people on the ground.
No, nobody has seen such a congregation in their lives. Not even Amit Shah ji. What is?
Mr. Riju, I've been asked to...
This is Republic, madam. This is Republic, madam. You cannot raise your hand like a school debate. You say your piece. I can hear you.
I've not even
Arnab
spoken.
can hear you.
No, you can't hear me. You can't hear me. Now, please allow me to have my say. This is
Please speak, but you are
unfair.
taking too much time, so please speak. I can hear you.
No, I'm not taking any time. I'll tell you what.
Life
What is important
unfair,
is
what is
the
fair?
gentleman
What
here you
is
call
what
a great
BJP is
debater
doing to this country and Bengal is
actually
fair? Is not fair. Then how can you expect that to be Republic to be fair?
Are mobsters and of criminal mindset. I'm sorry, but people show their will and mandate by exercising their franchise
people of
by
Bengal
voting.
are emotionally
And this
reacting to
person
your
here
betrayal,
has called
to your
all
divisive
people
politics, to
going
your
on
communal
mobs,
politics.
killing
That is
each
what the
other
people of
and the
Bengal are
general
reacting to.
populace of
People of
Bengal.
Bengal are
This
rejecting
person
BJP,
here
and you
has
cannot
called
fathom
a
that.
criminal, has
People
called
of
every-
BJ
has
people
labelled
of
every
Bengal are
Bengali as a
rejecting
criminal.
BJP.
I'll tell
You
you what
cannot
the
fathom
mandate of
that,
the
madam.
people is.
That is
4%
the problem.
vote share
That
BJP
is the
got
problem,
in
madam.
2016.
Let's agree. Okay, Nupur and Riju. Now I have to bring in Kanchanda and Shubirda. They are both silently and politely listening into the debate. They've soaked in all the conversation of the last 15 minutes. Let's bring them in. Now Kanchanda and Shubirda. 1 second. Now when I brought in, they waited 15 minutes. Let me bring them in. Come on, Nupur. Come on, Nupur. Who's rattled here? Kanchanda, who's rattled here? Is the Trinamool Congress looking worried when today Mamata Banerjee is addressing rallies in Birbhum's Bolpur? Just 1 week after Amit Shah made a visit to the city. Should this be seen as standard political response or a desperate attempt to win back the region?
Arnab, the very fact that she felt compelled to go and have a rally in Bolpur so soon after Amit Shah's roadshow over there tells its own story. Had she been not rattled, had it just, if she felt that Amit Shah's roadshow was not worth taking notice of, she would not have gone and held a rally in Bolpur today. Every statement, every utterance, including the Trinamool spokesperson on your show, and just to digress, the last time I was on your show with him, I had said that there is a saying in Bangla, Angur tule shashano jaye, shashon kora jaye.
Did you listen?
Apart from the fact that it is bad manners to keep on pointing your finger, shaking your finger, and making threatening gestures with your hand, it shows the mentality of the Trinamool at this point of time, that they can feel shashon or power slipping through their fingers. Now, Arnab, it's very interesting. A new spin is being put to justify and legitimize the justify and legitimize the violence that
No, he responded.
perpetrated.
That's not a starting a debate. He responded to you. Come on now. Riju, he will continue. Kanchata will continue because I allow him.
No, I will just quickly wind up my point.
Come on.
You see, an attempt is now being made to legitimize.
No, you make your point and then Subirda will respond.
And that is really sad. You talk of the culture of Bengal. The culture of Bengal is definitely not to legitimize and justify murderous violence like it is being done on this particular show. I mean, are we going to be now told that Sainbari was legitimate because it showed the people's anger or emotion? The same people should then be told that Mamata Banerjee was set upon and almost beaten to death. That was also a show of people's emotion. So it was justified. What are we reducing ourselves to in Bengal? That every crime, every criminality, every criminal misdeed is justified because it shows the emotion of the people of Bengal. And we are expected to accept this absurdity just because the Trinamool people come on TV channels and keep on threateningly, menacingly waving their finger at us. I'm sorry. This election is not about, just rallies and show of strength. This election will be an election of change. People are tired. People are not charged with emotion. People are charged with a certain tiredness. And that tiredness is with the prevailing system of misgovernance in West Bengal, the petty corruption which touches everybody's life, the disappearance of funds that are sent from the sender. Amphan is just an example. The disappearing industry, the disappearing investment. Why is it that every year hundreds of thousands of Bengalis, able-bodied Bengalis, leave West Bengal to look for jobs elsewhere? Why is it that West Bengal has the largest number of old age homes in the country today? Why is it that West Bengal is the only state in the country with a graying population? Where are the young men and women of Bengal? These are the questions that will be addressed in this election, and if people are allowed to vote freely and fairly, they will express their view and their mandate of what they think of the incumbent government. And lastly, I am not interested in a tui-tui car with anybody over here.
But Subirda, we're talking about who's rattled. And we had this incident, I think yesterday or day before, when the Labour Minister of Bengal, Malay Ghatak, had to be escorted out of the Netaji Indoor Stadium after labourers at the program had started protesting about him. Right, so we are looking at all the indications. You are a very seasoned journalist. You know that this is the third consecutive attack, organized attack on BJP workers ahead of their rallies. And the Trinamool is trying to win over everyone. In fact, on 24th, their Birbhum President Anubrata Mandal promised money to the Baul singer who performed for Amit Shah. So I'm just reading the signals about whether the Trinamool is reflecting panic. How do you read it?
Right, Arna. Now let me raise three important points here. Number one, answering your question, who is rattled? Both sides are rattled. Somebody is rattled by the violence, somebody is rattled by the prospect of change or possible change or the message of change. So both sides are rattled, and when both sides are rattled, you will inevitably see the inevitable fallout will be violence and more violence. And I have held this, that whenever politics gets very competitive in Bengal, violence happens. My point here is, and the key point I'm trying to raise here is, where is the police? When we know that, these kind of violence is likely, emotions, mobocracy. I don't want to get into that. I don't buy this logic that, this is a reflection of emotions. These are very organized activities. And therefore, I would ask the simple question, where is the police? Now, in all your videos, I can't see police anywhere. What happens when we know that there is bound to be a reaction that Shubhendu is going to organize his rally, and there are people, his ex sort of Trinamool friends, who are upset with him for having gone over to the BJP. Invariably, there is a possibility of violence. Now, if I'm a police officer handling that district, I will deploy maximum force and I'll try to control the situation and I'll try to ensure things don't get out of control. So would be the case if I'm the district magistrate. Yeah? Where are these people? What are they doing? This is horrible that this is an area which is sensitive by all indications because, the politics has rolled in a way, this is bound to be sensitive. That Shubhendu, very important leader of the Trinamool, has gone over to the BJP, and there are people in Trinamool who are upset about it. And, the inevitable fallout of this is street violence. And this is an actual fact of Bengal. I don't want to get into moralizing.
That is my point.
Bengal for 30 years
Shubhita, that is my point. One second. You raise a good point.
He squarely
where is the police, he asked. Where is the police, Shubir Bhaumik asked. I think it's a very valid point. And to that, one line, Nupur, which you can take it forward with Riju.
No, he has squarely...
Where is the police? Riju, where was the police? Riju, tell Nupur first, where was the police? Jitendra Tiwari and Riju, tell us. Tell everyone where is the police when this attack happens.
The police was there. The police was there. That after the mob, so-called the mob attack and the violence that erupted, police was there. That is why these people are in the hospital. If police wasn't there, then it could have been a lot of deaths. So police is always, the police is doing their duty.
Unfortunately,
how can you blame the police?
Public buses, public property, destroying public property. That's what the police does.
For you,
the police basically, people like Rajiv Kumar, when they get accused,
আপনাকে বুঝতে হবে এটা আমাদের মাটির লড়াই, এটা আমাদের ঐতিহ্যের লড়াই, এটা আমাদের অস্তিত্বের লড়াই। বাইরের লোকে এসে বাংলাকে বিক্রি করে দেবে আর আমরা সেটা দাঁড়িয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে দেখবো।
শুনুন, এক মিনিট রিজু দত্তা রিজু দত্তা
রামমোহন রায়,
রিজু আমার কথা শোনো ভাই, আপনি এক মিনিট আমার কথা শুনবেন, কথা শুনবেন কি না দাদা? এক মিনিট রিজু এক মিনিট কাঞ্চন দা এইদিকে আছে, 1 মিনিট, কাঞ্চন দা এইদিকে আছে, আপনি আমার কথাটা শুনুন। And I'll translate this with you spoke in Bengali. So I'll respond in Bengali, I'll take it forward. এক মিনিট, আমার একটাই প্রশ্ন, পুলিশ কোথায়? হোম মিনিস্টারকে? পুলিশ কোথায়? হোম মিনিস্টারকে? Where is the police and where was the home minister? Who is the home minister?
The police, home minister was in a rally. The police were there. That's why the people who were injured were escorted to the hospitals. That's why the police
home minister is Mamata Banerjee.
Were escorted out of that violence and taken to the hospital. Yes.
Where was a single policeman? The Subir Bhaumik?
And
Subir da is with you versus you today.
An isolated incident happened where the people of Nandijam has reacted. How can you blame the home minister?
How can you?
Isolated incident? How many such isolated incidents have happened?
Law, madam. Why don't you teach law to?
What is he?
Why don't you teach
Why don't you teach law to Yogi Adityanath? Go and teach law to Yogi Adityanath first. When you, before teaching me law, go and teach law to Yogi Adityanath first. Then you come and talk to me.
The police's job is not to give medical aid. Are you so unaware of the legal systems of our country?
The police stopped the violence and escorted the people to the hospital. What do you expect of the police to do then? What do you expect of the police?
Please call some educated people.
Okay, only now. Subir Bhaumik is countering Riju. Thank you. Subir Bhaumik will counter Riju.
Why don't you go and talk to Yogi Adityanath?
Don't be unreal. Don't give up governance before election. You have to govern the state till your last day in your term. Yes.
We know that whenever there is violence of this kind, the police has to, without fear and favor, intervene in a decisive way and resort to, if necessary, lathi charge or something more than that. Was the police doing that? My information is they were not doing it. The policing was not tough enough, because I'm not getting into who created the violence and who started it and who threw bombs at each other or who attacked each other. Why police? Come on, man! I know
that they will predict that the violence has erupted.
I know how. I've seen the entire Nandigram and what policing is all about. You know, you don't tell me what is the job of the police and how that should be done. The most difficult of the mobs can be handled by police if they have the will to do it, if they are professionally competent to do it.
They are doing their job. They are doing their job excellently.
They are doing their job like this. Yeah,
Bengal police is better than Mumbai police and UP police. What is Mumbai police doing, sir?
Don't give me this nonsense.
What is UP police doing? Why are you not talking about that?
Is the police here doing its job? That is the critical question. Don't give example. What is Mumbai police doing? Mumbai police is
they have done their job. They have neutralized the situation, escorted the victims to the hospital. What more do you expect to do? They are astrologers.
Come on, forget about Mumbai police. What is the police doing here? This is a very stupid logic that you bring in 5 other examples. My point is there is a yardstick of policing. And what is the police doing here? And if the police is doing something like this...
Do you expect the police or West Bengal police to have a dream last night before that there is going to be a violence at this rally? They are not astrologers. How will they know?
I think Kanchanda, can you rebut Riju, who's gone out of control today? Abhijit, please.
They are supposed to have an assessment.
You see,
Abhijit, please. Listen. Riju, you're blinded yourself.
Astrologer? This is the report to government. This is how government is meant to run, based on astrologers. Do you have a functioning intelligence arm of the Bengal police or not? You are meant to be surveilling things and you are meant to be able to predict violence automatically and immediately. What kind of government is this?
Oh, okay. Then where was the central government?
I empathize with Bengal police. It must be a traumatic experience.
Where was it?
It must be a traumatic experience for West Bengal police.
Where was the intelligence of the central government?
Riju, please. So I empathize with West Bengal police.
Do not.
I feel my heart goes out to Bengal police. It must be a terrible experience. It must be a terrifying experience to report to the political authority of West Bengal. The political authority of West Bengal ensures that the police is enfeebled, that its backbone has been broken, and that the police will not act against any of the thugs who owe their allegiance to the ruling party of West Bengal. In this situation, to expect the police to do anything more than this is not fair.
No. Riju, 1 minute. Riju, Kanchanda, 1 minute. Riju, Kanchanda, I have to pummel him with one question and one fact to end with. No, 1 minute. Riju, বাংলায় বলবো আপনাকে এই প্রশ্নগুলো আপনাকে কদিন পরে আমরা রিপাবলিক বাংলাতেও জিজ্ঞেস করব আপনি ইউ আর টকিং অ্যাবাউট ইন্টেলিজেন্স ফেলিয়ার জিজ্ঞেস করি আপনাকে 2017 জুলাইতে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় যখন বলেছিলেন কি আমার সেন্ট্রাল ট্রুপকে আমি নর্থ 24 পরগনায় যেতে দেব না বসিরহাটের সময় তখন ইন্টেলিজেন্স ছিল না মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের কাছে বসিরহাটে কি হয়েছিল ইন্টেলিজেন্স ফেলিয়ার ছিল বসিরহাটে? জিজ্ঞেস করছেন আপনি আমাকে? উল্টে জিজ্ঞেস করি আপনাকে, রানীগঞ্জ আর আসানসোলে কি হয়েছিল? এনএচআরসি কি বলেছিলেন তখন? ইন্টেলিজেন্স ছিল কিনা মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের কাছে? কি কথা বলছেন আপনি? I will now translate this for all the viewers in Bengal. Don't tell me, did Mamata Banerjee, who is doing riot Rajniti when Mamata Banerjee did not act in the Asansol and Raniganj riots, which according to the NHRC was despite intelligence inputs? What happened in Basirat? What happened in Basirat? Don't tell me examples.
Trust me, your examples.
Are Dhulagar riots were described by Mamata Banerjee as a local problem.
If you start giving me, if you give me
when homes and shops were burned down,
I will give you 10,000 examples in Gujarat and
I will not give you examples.
This debate will
but you people have had a one-sided narrative so far.
Where was the
Wait for Republic Bangla. Thank you very much.